flag's blowing a little bit, but they give it a try. Ooh, dog poop. That was the one that on video. Iron Man. It may be the last time you see it in one piece. A little breezy. And right into the ground. That didn't do too well, did it? Oh, I lost propeller. First flight ever! I lose a propeller. What are the odds I'm gonna find this thing? Flag's getting a little tattered. Oh yeah, there's a good breeze now. Just wait for the breeze to die down. Old Glory's getting ready for a change, isn't she? I bought a package of these flags, so I got more of them. Man, I can't believe this wind. It definitely loses altitude. Right into the bush. Don't want to lose any more propellers. No harm, no foul. Seems like full throttle tries to keep it head up and maybe defeating the purpose. No damage. Trying to gain altitude, but you don't really want to do that. Flying into the wind. Don't get on the house, please. Avoid the tall trees if I can. A little bit of a breeze still. My flag's blowing. Ooh, into my decorations it goes. I see one thing, Flying Ryan RC flew it better than I did. Propellers are still on. Ready for another flight. I'm on truck landing pad here. So far, kind of durable. Man, the wind must have got it. Or a bad pilot. Didn't want to seem to turn that time. You don't seem like to like full throttle very much. Of course, this wind. Oh, almost bit the house, didn't I? I knew that was coming. I hit him in the gym, I hit him in the outside. Wind. Well, it's pretty cool. I think we'll call it a flight today. It survived. One little bit of damage there, probably from the last hit on the basketball goal. But overall, it's pretty cool. First Iron Man back in the box. One piece. It's just a small amount of damage, not bad. Out to the garage for the rest of my junk.